To become successful in foreign currency trading, it is best that you acquire as much information about it as you can, especially if you consider yourself a beginner in it. You can actually gather a lot of information about foreign exchange by visiting web portals today. However, if you want to get more important details, then it is best to find a Forex ebook for it. There are actually a lot of digital books available today, which tackle a lot of things about foreign exchange. Some of these ebooks are for free, while some have their own price tags. It is best to become more familiar with both of these types of digital books, so that you will know which ones to choose. Free ebooks actually vary in quality. In most cases, they are offered by brokers or online entrepreneurs that promote online courses or foreign exchange trading systems. Some of the ebooks that you can acquire from them are not very useful, but some can also provide you with the kind of information that you need. Because of that, it is a good idea to take advantage of them, since they will not cost you money. All you have to do is to download these ebooks, and print or save only those that you consider worth spending your time on. Most ebooks that require payment for access are in PDF format. This basically means that once you pay for them, you can immediately download them into your computer and begin reading. Since these types of ebooks require money, it is best that you research about them first, before you let go of your hard-earned cash. One of the things that you can do in order to make sure about the quality of the ebooks is to access review pages about them. Don't limit yourself to only a single review site, but access a good number of such portals, so that you will be able to gather as much information as you can. Search for reviews made by actual users of the ebooks, so that you will not just learn more about their content, but you will also be able to know if a lot of people were satisfied with their purchase. If you won't access reviews for the ebook you are looking at, you will have to simply rely on the vendor's word about it. Keep in mind that some ebooks for foreign exchange are created for beginners, while some are for people who are more experienced in the trade. Because of that, it is best that you choose the more applicable type of book for you, so that you will be able to take full advantage of its content. These are the things that you need to take note of in finding the Forex ebook that you need for your chosen career. Keep in mind that some online courses for Forex can also be in the form of ebooks, and if you purchase them you need to make sure that they will provide you support all the way from top to bottom. For more exciting videos, please click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching You Trade Forex channel.